Outside looks super gray, and I have a feeling we're gonna get a lot of snow soon in the next week and a half. I just checked the weather and it looks like it's snowing like half of the days this next week and a half. So we might be doing some skiing soon. I literally just rolled out of bed. I'm about to just make some breakfast, get my day started. I have a lot of brands to reach out to. I try, if I'm motivated, to get all of my brand reach outs done Monday, just like the first day of the week. That way, if a brand wants to get back to me during like the work week, I can communicate with them throughout the rest of the week. So I'm gonna do that and come up with some more TikTok ideas and start drafting for the week as well. I'll just take you guys along for my process, and yeah, let me know if you have any questions in the comments below about content creation. Decided to switch it up because I've been eating so much bread. Made a nice veggie omelet. First bite taste test. So good. My secret to like really yummy omelets when you can't have dairy is nutritional yeast. It like makes it taste so cheesy. Hi! I didn't do a very good job filming throughout my day, but I did reach out to like 10, so I still have 20 to go, and I did make a little bit of a dent in the content I needed to film, but so I'm sure I can show you a lot more about my work process tomorrow, because I did not get as much done as I thought I would, but I did get a lot of planning done, organization. I'm feeling good. And it's like 4:30 right now, so I'm gonna head over to North Star and see my friend Sarah and meet to go ice skating.
This peeps the village.
We may or may not be out of luck because it's raining.
I can't, it looks white and the tarp is white. So I really can't tell. There's nobody on it, which also doesn't confirm my suspicion. Yeah.
No! It does not look fun. That looks,
I mean, it looks fun in that there's nobody else.
We're not ice skating, so we're just gonna check out the village and the lights. And, I don't know, we'll ice skate sometime in the next week or so.
Like, you know, the bigger than the limits for your standard Christmas tree.
I don't know.
The leaves and the pine cones, they're built in.
It's like the opposite of ice skating. It's like sitting by a hot fire. Still. Yeah.
Oh my god, they're playing my song.
What is this song?
It's Sarah by Fleetwood Mac.
Just think though, in like 2 weeks we'll be skiing.
Maybe a week for lucky.
Maybe a week. We'll be skiing and walking. If I remember, you walk that way and the gondola's that way?
Yeah. It's around the corner there.
1 week, 2 weeks.
Maybe.
Hopefully. What?
It's just not even like a pine or a fir. It's just like a...
I kind of like it.
Buddy, no.
Did you catch him?
Oh no, I knocked him over. I'm sorry. Mr. Guy. There he is.
He's so cute. Do frogs hibernate? Yeah, they have
I
to.
don't know what they do.
They have to like... Oh, he's so cute.
You know, I'm really not quite sure what frogs do. It's not really the climate.
Is he gonna be okay? I'm concerned.
I mean,
I wish you the best of luck on your journey. Please go get, like, underground.
yeah, please
Don't freeze. Bye, North Star. Well, I'm just running to the grocery store now. I'm so bummed about ice skating, but we're gonna try to go tomorrow. There's not rain in the forecast. I really thought it would change to snow by tonight, but it didn't. I'm gonna go to the grocery store and pick up some ramen noodles, as long as they have the gluten-free ones. And I'm gonna make ramen tonight and probably watch a Christmas movie and just stay inside, because it is so just like wet cold. It's like the worst kind in my opinion. This might be one of the prettiest meals I've ever made. Some mushrooms. Yes. I will absolutely be making this again. I might not have been able to go ice skating, but it made me end up scrolling on Pinterest to find a different recipe, and that's a 10 out of 10. Alright, it is late. I am full. It was a successful day by the end of the night. I would classify today as successful, even though I didn't get to ice skate. But tomorrow, hopefully the ice skating rink is open and I can do something festive with you guys. But until then, I will be going to bed. If you've been liking these vlogs, please let me know. If you want to stay up to date on upcoming vlogs, just make sure that you hit the subscribe button. I'm creating stuff daily all the way up until Christmas, and hopefully weekly after that. So, see you guys soon. Bye!